The last step before finishing a woodworking project or when you're refinishing a piece of furniture is to sand it really well. In this case, I have this prop that I sanded with an orbital sander, then I finished it with some hand sanding. But before you stain it, you want to make sure you can detect any defects, whether they're sanding swirl marks or scratches, because if you look at this, it looks pretty good, right? It looks almost perfect. But we're going to find out if that surface is perfect with this simple solution. I took a cup and I added a few ounces of mineral spirits, then I put in just a few drops of the stain we're going to be using. Then I'm going to test this piece of wood to see how clean it is, how scratch-free it is, by dipping cloth in the stain, make sure you're wearing rubber gloves, and wipe it on. And let's see what we can discover here. See these vertical lines? You know what that's caused from? That's from a sticker. I remember there was a sticker here that the manufacturer put there. Here's a big old scratch too right there. I didn't see that before. So by pre-staining it like this, it gives you a really good idea of where the defects are, where the flaws are. So you just let that dry for a few minutes, come back and sand it again, paying particular attention to any flaws or defects, and you'll have a nice smooth piece of wood ready for the final coat of stain.
Simple Solutions is brought to you by Tite Bond, the Pro's Advantage.